On Tuesday, Governor Scott Walker presented his 6th State of the State address to the people of Wisconsin at a joint session of the legislature. According to Walker, Wisconsin has made tremendous progress in the past 5 years. Unemployment is down, the labor force participation rate is up, and taxes have been cut.
The state of our state is strong. We are moving Wisconsin forward. And think about these simple facts. There are more people working in Wisconsin than at nearly any point in our state's history. State finances are stable. Our school students are doing well overall. College tuition is frozen. And property and income taxes are down from 2010. The Wisconsin comeback is real.
Walker focused much of his speech on employment, touting new jobs numbers that indicate Wisconsin is on the right track.
Late last year, we saw the largest monthly jobs gain since April of 1992.
But to ensure that Wisconsin's economy continues to improve, Walker said Madison must continue to budget responsibly and put downward pressure on taxes.
I am proud that Wisconsin finished the fiscal year with a $135.6 million budget surplus. The state's rainy day fund is the largest in our state's history, 165 times bigger than when we first took office.
He spoke at length about his efforts to improve education in Wisconsin, linking a good education as a child with landing a good job as an adult.
Our goal is to ensure that everyone who wants a job can receive a job. One of the best ways to get people the skills that they need to succeed is through a great education.
He reported that many successes in the state had been overlooked in a debate that all too often focuses on doom and gloom.
The graduating class of 2015 had the second highest ACT scores in the country. In our state, 4th and 8th grade reading scores went up again in 2015. Wisconsin's high school graduation rates are also up again, to the 3rd best in the country.
Walker also reiterated the importance of a 4-year tuition freeze that has saved the average student $6,000 over the past 4 years.
Speaking of students, we help make college more affordable at our University of Wisconsin campuses as we froze tuition for the first time ever 4 years in a row.
Walker said that under his administration, both property and income taxes have gone down.
That homeowner saved $1,227 from where property taxes were headed versus how they've gone down under our reforms collectively between 2010 and 2015. A median income family will see a 4-year income tax reduction of $916. That's real money for hardworking taxpayers all across Wisconsin.
Walker talked about the continuing need to look for ways to reform government and save taxpayers' money.
One area to consider for real reform is the way we administer health insurance for state employees, which some experts believe could save tens of millions of dollars. Tonight, I commit to investing every penny of savings to the general fund from these specific reforms to support public education.
He also announced that he was going to tour the state in 2016 to develop what he called a shared vision for the future.
With this in mind, I'm proud to announce we're going to visit every part of the state and hold listening sessions throughout 2016. This is personal for me, as I think the best way to plan for the future is to hear from people all over the state.
Some legislators said that Walker's goals don't go far enough.
And what he's talking about is a minuscule investment, especially when you look at states like Minnesota.
You know, I thought the governor had a lackluster speech, in my opinion. It didn't address the issues that I would have liked to hear him address.
The media likes to focus on the facts, and he doesn't like it. 10,000 job layoffs were handed out in Wisconsin last year. That's a fact. He doesn't like to hear that, but that's something we need to be working on together. I didn't hear any mention of that, and that's a shame.
Others were pleased by Walker's priorities.
A good speech, positive, upbeat, what I expected, which was to focus a lot on the good things that Wisconsin has done. Balanced budget, lower taxes, more money for schools, preserving Medicaid, Badger care, senior care, all the things that are important.
So at our job, we're not the job creators, but we have to create the infrastructure to create so that the job creators can create them. And I think education and job training are very much our priority and very much our employer's priority.
The college affordability plan, that is something that's a newer idea that he's worked on with some of my colleagues. I feel very confident that we can work together, get that passed, and I think it can attract bipartisan support.
For the MacIver Institute, I'm Ola Lisowski.